Well strap. Yes, we can reach on a location. You go already? Yes, no guys. The place a change up. Yes. Make one to take care. So you don't know. As usual, not supposed to when me see the damage you done until me get the right camera on it. See you guys, watch it. So you don't know. Stay tuned. Watch what I go on. The snap people me there. Shoot 2 pigeon and then still fly away. So now first start go for headshot. Lone headshot. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. So you see the people. Go on now. Show them the next one. Here, oh, there came up. You know, so over here, you could dance with me at the back side.
Me see some wally for them, me dig out to the shot out there, me shot one. With the catapult here, back in there.
Like how my sister said they operate, me not fit carry scope. You see me? Just build an open scope. See them now. Where pigeon go?
Come here. Come here. I love you.
So yes now guys, one more 3 this will lick so far. So don't know. So me have to do it to get them. I shot them in the chest for my escape. So neck or edge. Yes guys, we're there go and pull out the rain and Joe. No. Don't know. You're ready for garden yard and all, so you don't know that, but just wait 5 minutes and then we cut. But you're ready.
Are you ready?
As you wanna see, one shopping bag of birds. They don't know. Depending where you go home, want the people and pigeon guys, but I have to just deal with people one by one. You see me, cause my uncle went tell me say I want 2 from yesterday. You don't know. You look out for me, so I have to look out for me, I have to carry 2 go game. So, and then I have say 2 somebody on the side. But 1, 2 see me, so I don't know guys. Ah, squiddy boy. So evil. All heap of love. You see me guys? They always go on.
Yes, these are the catch for the day. That is it. See it there?
Through the rain, he cut power Wally. So I shot some of them and the marble down really get to do really do damage. Yeah, then see the camera come. You see me guys? If the rain come in, so you don't know say a climatic gun them. You see me? So anytime the rain come in, lad may experience that still. Anytime the rain fall, the chain will cut power wholly. You see me guys? So that's why I shot. Me sorry, and again, me put on the phone stand, so you can see what is what. But me put on it, find out say it a blurry as you go see. It blurry up. You see me guys? So when me check it out, it broke. So I go build one different one and show you how that set up. So remember, only for love. Me sorry bo. Sorry if you no make gonna get the see shot them guys. You don't know. Sorry about that. But as I say, the hunting so successful. It feel nice guys, cause you see me? Although he cut power upon me. Me can't say, you know?
No doing work.
You can't say not doing work guys.
Yes,
so
people.
remember,
And this one or two.
big up Mr. Campbell CMA because he make this possible. You see me? Big up yourself every time, Mr. Campbell. I don't know. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and press the comments. You see me, guys? Remember, just start, guys. And remember, as I say, you don't want no one feel like man a time waster and an eyeglass. No, far from that. So I'm going to put my number on the channel. So you can call me to do any pest control, guys. Any pest control. Worse if they can eat like the pigeons. How me put it? As I say, any pest control.
I'll fish.
You see me? So you don't know. That is it now guys. Remember. Hey, I will leave a picture take with my rifle today. People take picture today guys. So probably wanna see it on YouTube or TikTok or you know. Enough people. They love how we look guys. So remember, youths. Remember, do good and good follow. You see me? Don't do bad. Remember you know. Bad follow crosses. You see me? So
Good follow, good luck.
good follow good bring good luck. But bad follow crosses. So then follow back other than one. So bear that in mind, youths. Remember, do good. Only for love we say. You see me? Without love, as me say, there is no one. So remember, I'm out.